Hi everyone, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in the new video. In this video, I'm going to explain you that whenever you're working on a site, being a site engineer, being a project manager, it is very important to understand how much amount of quantity required based upon their unit, what is available stock, and how much quantity you need to procure, like brought from the outer side, and how much price that it will incur. So this is one of the very basic exercise that we have to perform, and that needs to be performed through a very stimulated formats. So I have a building material requisition form which is created by me, and this form will help you to understand whole scenario of the civil construction, right? Also we called as a material reconciliation. This reconciliation also play a crucial role when we are delivering something good. Okay? Now, you need to watch this video till the end to understand what is building material requisition form. If you skip in middle, then you might not understand. So, you can download this file from my website. Okay, link is given in the description box, and also you can just look into this website by civilnotes.com. Okay, so what is this building material requisite form? So building material requisite form, you can see a basic information provided at the top, like what is the project name, the location, what is any requisition number that you have created, and the date at which you are working on that requisition form. Now I have a material which is required for my project, such as cement, river sand, steel rebar, bricks, coarse aggregate, waterproofing cement, plywood, PVC pipe, binding wire, and emulsion of paint or interior paint. So we have, maybe we have more quantity over here, so you can add that one. Then we can go to the units. We have units mentioned here, like how much unit we have: cement in bags, river sand in metric cube, steel bar in kg. We have a multiple database over here. Then what is the required quantity? Like we want a cement quantity of 500 bags, but we have only 50 bags available in the stock. So how much we have to procure? Definitely the difference of these two we have to procure. It means we need to